In 2026, fish finder GPS combos have reached new heights with sharper imaging, faster processors, better mapping, and smarter features. After extensive on-water testing by experts focusing on sonar clarity, GPS accuracy, screen visibility, ease of use, and long-term reliability, here are the top 8 best fish finder GPS combos this year. Number 8. Garmin Striker Vivid 7SV. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7SV is an outstanding mid-range performer in 2026, especially for kayak and small boat anglers. It delivers vivid Chirp sonar, side view, and clear view imaging with excellent target separation. The 7-inch bright color display is easy to read in direct sunlight. Built-in GPS with waypoint marking and basic mapping makes navigation simple. It's lightweight, quick to boot, and very user-friendly. Best for kayak anglers and beginners wanting great imaging without complexity. Excellent value under $600. The high-contrast vivid color palettes make fish and structure pop dramatically. Quick release mount allows easy transfer between boats. It supports traditional, Chirp, and clear view side view transducers simultaneously. Battery life is impressive on smaller vessels. The interface is simple enough for beginners, yet powerful for experienced users. Many testers noted outstanding shallow water performance. The built-in flasher function is highly accurate for ice fishing or vertical jigging. Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy software updates. It handles high boat speeds well without losing bottom tracking. Overall, it offers incredible performance for its compact size and price. Number 7. Lowrance Hook Reveal. The Lowrance Hook Reveal 7 stands out for its triple-shot transducer, Chirp plus side scan plus down scan, and preloaded mapping. The 7-inch display is sharp and the interface is intuitive even for new users. It offers solid fish arch detection and bottom contour tracking. Best for bass anglers and weekend boaters who want easy-to-use split-screen views. Great balance of price and performance around $550–$700. The Reveal series' new color palettes improve visibility in varying water conditions. Auto-tuning sonar simplifies setup significantly. It includes Genesis Live real-time mapping capability. The display remains clear even in bright sunlight. Split-screen functionality is smooth and customizable. Many users appreciate the built-in GPS speed display. The transducer performs well at higher trolling speeds. Shallow water imaging is exceptionally detailed. It supports multiple sonar views simultaneously without lag. The build quality feels solid for daily use on smaller boats. Number 6. Humminbird Helix 7 Chirp DI GPS G4N. The Humminbird Helix 7 Chirp DI GPS G4N delivers impressive down imaging clarity and reliable GPS with AutoChart live mapping. The 7-inch display is bright and responsive. Experts love its target separation in weedy or rocky areas. Best for anglers who fish lakes and rivers with heavy structure. Strong performer in the $600–$800 range. Mega down imaging provides incredible detail below the boat. The touchscreen is fast and accurate. AutoChart Live creates custom maps in real time. It supports NMEA 2000 networking for future expansion. The menu system is logical and easy to navigate. Many testers praised its performance in heavy vegetation. The GPS is fast and accurate for marking productive spots. It handles split-screen views smoothly. The unit is compact enough for smaller boats, yet powerful. Overall reliability has been excellent in long-term testing. Number 5. Lowrance Elite FS9. The Lowrance Elite FS9 brings premium features like active target live sonar compatibility, excellent CMAP mapping, and a sharp 9-inch display. It offers fast processor speed and customizable split screens. Best for serious anglers wanting future-proofing and live sonar options. A big step up in performance around $200 but $500. Active Target Live Sonar shows fish movement in real time. The SolarMax HD display is extremely bright and clear. It supports multiple transducer inputs simultaneously. Customizable dashboards make it highly personalized. The mapping detail is outstanding with CMAP Genesis. Many users love the fish reveal technology. It handles high boat speeds without losing bottom contact. The interface is smooth even with multiple windows open. Build quality feels premium and durable. It's a future-proof unit that grows with your needs. Number 4. Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 93's. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 93's impresses with ultra-high-definition side view and clear view imaging, plus built-in Garmin Navionics Plus mapping. The 9-inch touchscreen is responsive and bright. It supports Panoptix LiveScope for forward-looking sonar, best for anglers who want top-tier Garmin mapping and imaging versatility. Premium performance in the $1,400 range. Navionics Plus charts include excellent detail and daily updates. Quick Draw Contours creates custom maps instantly. The touchscreen works well even with wet fingers. It integrates seamlessly with other Garmin devices. Side view imaging is incredibly clear at distance. Many testers praise the realistic fish targets. The unit boots up very quickly. It handles complex split-screen layouts smoothly. The build quality is rugged for marine environments. It's one of the most user-friendly premium units available. Number 3. Humminbird Helix 10 Chirp Mega SI Plus GPS G4N. The Humminbird Helix 10 Chirp Mega SI Plus GPS G4N is a powerhouse with mega side imaging plus and outstanding detail. The 10-inch display is crystal clear and the mapping features are highly customizable. Best for dedicated bass and walleye anglers who need maximum imaging clarity. Excellent choice around $600 Mega Side Imaging Plus offers best-in-class range and resolution. The large screen makes split views extremely useful. AutoChart Pro allows advanced mapping customization. It supports multiple Humminbird accessories. The menu navigation is fast and intuitive. Many pros use it in tournaments successfully. Target separation in deep water is exceptional. The unit performs well at higher speeds. The display remains visible in harsh sunlight. It's built tough for serious fishing use. Number 2. Lowrance HDS Pro 9-12. The Lowrance HDS Pro series, especially the 9s and 12, dominates 2026 with ultra-fast processing, stunning Active Target 2 live sonar, and brilliant SolarMax HD displays. It offers superior mapping and network expandability. Best for tournament anglers and serious boaters who demand the absolute best performance. Premium pricing, $2,300, but worth it for pros. Active Target 2 live sonar is incredibly responsive and detailed. The SolarMax HD screen is one of the brightest available. It supports full networking with multiple units. Customizable pages allow complex setups. The processor handles everything without lag. Many tournament pros rely on it daily. Mapping detail is class-leading. The build quality is extremely rugged. It integrates perfectly with other marine electronics. This is a true flagship system. Number 1. Garmin GPSMAP 2026's. The Garmin GPSMAP 2026's takes the top spot as the best overall fish finder GPS combo in 2026. It combines a massive 12-inch touchscreen, ultra-high-definition sonar, full Garmin Navionics Plus charts, and full support for LiveScope Plus. The interface is incredibly intuitive and the build quality is rock solid. Best for serious boat owners who want a flagship system with unmatched clarity, mapping, and integration. While expensive, $3,500 plus, it outperforms everything else in real-world testing. The 12-inch touchscreen is highly responsive and bright. LiveScope Plus forward sonar is game-changing for sight fishing. Navionics Plus charts include unmatched detail and updates. It supports full marine networking. The processor is extremely fast with no lag. Many professional captains consider it the gold standard. Customizable layouts adapt to any fishing style. The unit is built for harsh marine conditions. Integration with other Garmin devices is seamless. It represents the pinnacle of modern fish finder technology.